going to the model home. All right, guys. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Hope y'all are doing well. Hope y'all are doing well, guys. I got a treat for y'all. I got a treat. All right, guys. This is Paula, DFW's favorite realtor, guys. I am ending my trip here in Orlando, and y'all know I'm always bringing y'all along. So I found some awesome new construction communities here in Orlando, Florida. I'm with my Lyft driver. She's getting ready to take me to the airport, and so we're going to feature this community, right? It's a gated community. Right, it's a gated community starting in the mid 800s. Right, they have a golf course. They have 3 pools for you to play. They have basketball, all kind of amenities. And so we're going to feature this one. All right, I hope they don't give us a hard time, Miss Kaylee.
Hey there.
How you doing?
You have the QR code?
No, we're going to one of the models. We're going with Kaylee. We're going to, she has the address.
Okay, what's the address?
9955.
It's a model home. We're going to go tour it. Your access and compliance team, right? So if you're in this community, guys, you get...
The driver's license.
Okay. She's going to give you hers. So if you're in this community, guys, there's a gated entry, right? That's a part of your HOA. The HOA is $155 a month. And so you'll have 2 gated gentlemen like here, making sure only clients, only residents come in. Thank you. Right, $155 a month. You have access to 3 pools. You guys, looky here. You have access to 3 pools. It's a master plan community, so you have walking trails. Again, they have a golf course. The golf course is paid for. Look at the landscape. So you have walking paths. Right, there were some communities here that have similar prices as we have in North Texas. They were not as easily accessible, so this is going to be a luxury gated community. Side and show y'all as well. Section. So they have lots of outdoor living. Look at those awesome patios, green spaces, right off the golf course. We go. Right, different architectural style than we have in Texas. A lot different, right? Lots of concrete stone. Look at those. Look at that type of, I call it it's like a Mexican style, Aztec, Midwestern, Southwestern flair for the roof. All right. Give me 10 minutes, 7 minutes. All right, guys. This one is a 4-bedroom, guys. It's 4 bedrooms. It has 3.5 baths. Right, and it has a bonus room. So let's go see it. Right, 2-car garage. it's still open. And it is. All right, guys. All right, so as we enter, oh, look at that foyer. Look at that detail in the ceiling. All right, they have deep crown molding. Okay. Ooh la la. All right, again, this model is 4-bedroom and it has a bonus room. If you don't get the bonus room, it starts in the mid 800s. But if you get the bonus room, it's going to be right in the 900s, right? This is going to lead to upstairs. This is one of those builders where you really get to design your home. Let me make sure my lens is clean. Hold up. Let me make sure so that y'all can see properly. Can y'all still see? Make sure y'all can see it. Okay. All right, so here's the living area, dining area, open floor plan. We have pendant lights. Oh. All right, this is the type of builder you get to build it from the ground up. You get to pick your colors of your cabinets. Right, notice this awesome backsplash, very modern. Right, they have the extra cabinets above. Right, built-in appliances. This is where your oven goes. Right, you have a farm sink here. But look at lots of builders in North Texas, you know, they don't have handles like this. This is something you always have to add. Not sure if this is a standard feature here, but these are soft pull drawers. Okay, this is gonna be, ooh la la, this is the owner's retreat here. They're using it as the design center, or is this the garage? I don't know. And the saleswoman, she had appointments today, but she was so gracious to give me permission to show you guys, right? But this is their design center where you would select all of your selections. These are backsplashes and floors. Those are tile. Pretty backsplashes, so you get to design it. Flooring. I think this might be the owner's retreat. Because look at those awesome tray ceilings, the detail. I bet it is, and that's a window. Yeah, I bet it is. Yeah, because this is the owner's retreat bath. Yeah, looky here, guys. Has his and hers. Oh, luxury, luxury. All right, y'all like? All right, so his and hers, beautiful pendant lights. Look at that backsplash. Look at that detail above. Can y'all see that? Mm-hmm. Right, you have a walk-in shower with a bench. I bet you can do tubs if you like, but this is kind of spa-like. Right, you have a seat there. This must be your toilet. Yeah, this is the owner's retreat. Okay. This must be their closet. Yeah, this is the closet. It has a window and it's connected to the laundry room. So this is a great closet. It sure is. Okay. And this is gonna lead. Let's see what we got. Yeah, that's the garage. Yeah, but it has a front entry garage. So the family come home. They have a nice pantry pantry storage area here. These are tall ceilings. You have a little gathering place there. This must be this is for your snacks. Yep. So you have your snack area here, your pantry. All right, so we're back at the front. But I gotta show you, open the sliding doors, right? They have we can't go out, guys. It's gonna trigger an alarm and I don't wanna go to jail. But they have a pool out there, guys. Can you see the pool? Real cozy patio. Yeah, that's that window. So let's go upstairs real quick. told my Lyft driver I'd take care of her. So y'all know years before I got into real estate, when I was trying to decide where my next move was, I was actually a Lyft and Uber driver. I was trying to figure some things out. Oh, here we go. This is nice. So this is like a play area here. You have a sitting area here, like a loft. And then you have a game room here. This is that bonus room. Oh, nice, guys. All right. Again, this community is currently starting. If you do this model without the bonus room, it's in the mid 800s. But if you do the bonus room, you'll be in the 900s. But you have a wet bar here. Looky there. All right, you have a sink. All right, so you can really entertain. Refrigerator there. There's that Mexican tile roof. I love these kind of roofs. They're very expensive, but they really show well. Look at the detail in these tray ceilings, guys. More storage. Can y'all see those ceilings? These are all upgrades that are available with this builder. If you like something that's very custom in Texas, these kind of builders do exist. These are what we call those luxury builders. All right, and we got 3 bedrooms up here, so let's check them out. We got 2 baths up here as well. So we have a bath here. Nice, nice. Got to see what new construction, what they're doing in other portions of the country. So y'all know whenever I go on a trip or vacation, I try to cite the new construction so we can kind of compare, see how other people are living. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. All right, so this is one of the secondary bedrooms. Nice size. All right, got a dual closet door, sliding. Okay, walk-in closet. Again, this is Orlando, Florida. This is about 8 minutes from the airport, so I'm really close to the airport. Not too far from Mickey Mouse. Y'all like Mickey Mouse? Mickey Mouse. The quickest way by airmail at your own nearest post office. Okay. So they're having this one set up as like a study. And you can see the neighborhood. But just a different style home and community. Remember, guys, this is a gated community. Gated. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Look at that detail in that ceiling. Look at those light fixtures. All right, now a lot of these upgrades, you know, like this in the ceiling may not be available. They're giving you ideas you can do secondary, right? All you need is a good carpenter, right? A good woodwork guy that can do these details. Closet here. Is this the closet? No, that's your furnace. And here's the final one. Did I show y'all this? No, we haven't been in here, have we? I can't remember. Okay. Well, that's that, guys. Is this another? Yep. Linen closet, celebrate. Miss Sheila. All right. So now I'll drive a couple of blocks in the community so y'all can see what the community looks like. All right, this is gonna be the half powder bath. Remember I told y'all it was 3.5. Somewhere I lost that 3rd bath. I didn't see it. Ooh la la. Tall, tall ceilings. All right, there's my driver. But let y'all just see this this community. Right, whole different style than we have here and that we have in Texas. All right. That wasn't long. If you'll drive the block, and then we'll leave and go to the airport. Thank you so much. Look at the architectural style, guys. A lot of these floor plans are similar to what we had back in Texas, but the front of the home is known as the elevation of a home, right? It's the particular design. And so they have different elevations. Some of these are going to be those multi-family townhome units. All right, but remember, guys, this is a gated community. Gated community. Right, they have rear entry and a large portion of them. Some of them have the front entry. But entirely different style. This Spanish tile roofs. These are very popular in this community, but they look oh so nice. Right, these type of roofs, they're more in terms of your insurance costs, because the replacement costs of these are a lot more expensive than the composition tile that we have in Texas. And so your insurance, that's why if you have these type of homes in Texas with this type of roof, you'll have a higher quality. But we're getting out of the exit, guys, right? This is the entrance. Right, remember I told y'all it was a gated community. I see people over there riding their bicycles, enjoying life. But that's it, guys. New construction in Orlando, Florida, starting in the